What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are back. I know it's been a while, it's been over 5 months, 6 months, but we are finally back, getting back on track. And a lot of things have happened over these past few months. As you guys know, I sold my Z and I started something new. So I'm gonna show you guys today what I bought. And like I said, today we are in Chicago. It's a car show, Tuner Bikes, and I'm not alone. I'm with a homie.
How are you, bro? Here in Chicago, so watch the nice car here. So coming soon, the new car Rodrigo buy. So it's a pretty car, pretty clean. So I don't know, waiting for that.
I'm gonna go walk around and show you guys what's out here. And as you guys know, some of you guys know it, I sold my C, and today I'm gonna show you guys what I got. It's pretty cool, it's pretty dope, I love it. I'm just happy, alright?
Keep your fucking joint playing.
Alright guys, so right now we're just walking around. Like, we got here a little bit late because we ran into some issues while trying to load the car into a trailer, but we made it. And like I said, right now we're just walking around and trying to get the best cars out here. We drove almost 4 hours just to get here to this show. It's been a while and we're just trying to enjoy, trying to have a good time out here, Alright, so I'm just gonna keep walking around. viejita, man. ¿Está buscando con quién? Mira. Ay, güey. Alright guys, so we did a quick walk around and I show you guys pretty much the best cars that we have out here. But like I said, I got a new car not too long ago. I did sold my Z. A lot of you guys loved it, and after I sold it, a lot of people start unfollowing me. It's cool, you know, I don't mind, it's all good, it's all good. But like I said, I bought a new car and I'm about to show you guys what I got. You guys gonna love it.
Why not? This is a lot of money. I have money. Trust the character in you, I mean.
So this is a new car I got. Like I said, I did got rid of the Z. I mean, it was time to move on to different things, you know, try different things here and there. And I decided to go with the S2000. Later in the future, I'm gonna do a quick walk around of what it has, what mods has been done to it. But like I said, it's gonna be a totally different video. Today, I'm just showing you guys the new car, the new whip. And yeah, I mean, we got 2-3 more hours and we're just gonna try to enjoy it, alright? And catch you guys later.